In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Slack. This integration can be a real game changer, helping you seamlessly manage your emails and calendar events right within Slack. Let's dive right into the process and make your work life a little more streamlined. First, you'll want to open Slack and head over to one of your channels. You can do this by either selecting the channel of your choice or simply navigating through to the relevant workspace where you have the necessary permissions to add apps. Once you're there, have a look to the upper right hand corner. You'll notice a plus symbol or a create button. Click on it, and among the options you should find workflows and apps. This is where the magic starts. Next, click on apps to reveal the app directory. In the search bar at the top, type in Outlook. Here, you'll notice a few options, including Outlook Email and Outlook Calendar. For the purpose of this setup, let's proceed by choosing the Outlook Email option. Now you'll be prompted to click on Outlook to initiate the connection process. Proceed by selecting Add to Slack. This will redirect you to Microsoft's app source where you can get the official app. Look for the button labeled Get It Now and click on it. A login page will appear asking you to enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you're not familiar with this step, ensure you have your login details handy. After you log in, you'll need to click Sign In once more to ensure that your Microsoft account is correctly linked with Slack. You'll be asked to select your country from a list. Simply click on the drop-down menu, scroll through until you find the United States and select it. This is important for regional settings and permissions. Once done, head back to the Microsoft login page. Here, you'll need to enter your Outlook email address. After you type in your email, click on Next to proceed. You're almost there. Click Add to finalize the integration. This signifies that your Outlook is successfully added and connected to your Slack account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that everything has been set up correctly. Now you're seamlessly connected. This not only allows you to view your emails in Slack, but also makes managing calendar events and emails far more efficient. If you wish to add other features like the Outlook calendar, simply return to the Apps section within Slack and repeat the steps we went through earlier. And there you have it, you've connected Outlook to Slack, making it easier to stay on top of emails and meetings without switching back and forth between platforms. Thanks for following along, and be sure to explore how this integration can further enhance your productivity.